Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay, and we are living through history. Yeah, I know that's the case always, but this is going to be an event, this COVID situation, that we're going to remember 15, 20 years from now. And we're going to look back and think, oh, what was the world like before that? What was the world like before that? But we're right now in the smack in the middle of it, which is such a fascinating time to be watching these markets. We could not have predicted the world the way it was today, 3 months ago. I don't think we'll be able to predict the world 3 months from now. So that's really the most interesting thing. And we're seeing uncertainty with all of that. Now, heading into this earnings season, we had seen most of the S&P 500 companies suspend their guidance. That really left us without a clue how these earnings are going to be going on. Now, as we're starting to go through this season, we're starting to see a little bit more clarity, a little more guidance, and we're going to have a little more projections, a little bit better idea. So again, the one thing the market does not like is uncertainty, and that's still why the VIX is above 40. Above 40, obviously a sign of a dislocated markets still, obviously a sign that there's a ton of uncertainty, and we don't really know what's going to happen the rest of the year. And that's got to be the case because we don't know even if this quarantine lifts, is a virus going to come back? Is it going to be back in the winter? Is there going to be a vaccine? Maybe there'll be some sort of a treatment that can cure it. So there's so many factors out there that are potential outcomes, which is what makes, again, trading this so fascinating. The VIX itself above 40, the front month future 39. I'm seeing that curve starting to flatten. That's telling me that maybe we're expecting this volatility to stay with us for the rest of the year. Of course, we have an election on top of everything else, so certainly possibility for that. The skew 122, that's on a lower end of the range. The VVIX 122, also again a low level for the VVIX. Certainly a sign that maybe people are expecting on the short term the futures can be in a range. Although again, like I said, they're expecting longer term this volatility to stay here. For Equity Armor Investments, I am Joe Tigay.